In a major push towards fuel conservation and sustainable governance, the Delhi government has announced a series of significant measures aimed at reducing fuel consumption and promoting public transport. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta on Thursday declared 2 days of work from home for government offices, along with a directive to minimize vehicle usage. The decision comes in line with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal for citizens and institutions to adopt fuel-saving practices amid rising global uncertainties. The government has also reduced the Chief Minister's official convoy by nearly 60%, bringing it down to just 4 vehicles, including 2 electric vehicles, marking a clear shift towards cleaner mobility. As part of a broader campaign titled Mera Bharat Mera Yogdan, the Delhi government will observe every Monday as Monday Metro, where ministers, officers and employees will be required to use the metro for official travel. In addition, one no-vehicle day each week has been proposed for the public. The policy also includes a 6-month suspension on new purchases of petrol, diesel and electric vehicles for government use, along with a 10% increase in transport allowance for employees. In a strong push for energy efficiency, air conditioners in government offices will now be regulated between 24 and 26 degrees Celsius, and master switches will be installed to prevent unnecessary electricity wastage. The initiative also includes a 90-day awareness campaign, pledges for citizens, and a temporary ban on foreign travel for government officials. Experts say the move reflects not austerity but economic prudence, aimed at strengthening resilience amid global fuel and economic pressures. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also urged citizens to adopt metro travel, carpooling, work-from-home practices and reduce non-essential consumption to support the national economy.